Good day everyone, I go by name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you. Good day everyone, go by name Skyward. Please, if you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is just marketing a particular product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. And how do you become a successful affiliate marketer? There are many things to consider to become a successful affiliate marketer. One of it is where you get and how you get your organic leads, or where you get your traffic from. Traffic are people that visit your link or your affiliate platforms and buy what you are selling. And you know that the more the traffic, or the more your traffic purchase what you are selling, the higher your commission on affiliate marketing. So that is where I come in, because there are two sources by which you can get traffic to your affiliate marketing platforms. One is through, we have the free traffic system and we have the paid traffic system. The free traffic system includes the Facebook ads, solo ads, YouTube ads, paying freelancers to get you traffic, etc. Also, we have the free traffic system, which is where I come in, because I have a software which I've developed myself and I've been using over the years, and it has been giving me excellent results. Yes, this is my software work by gathering leads online from search engines and digital platforms and promoting your link or your affiliate platforms to these organic leads online for you to get commission. So my software is up for sale now, and I have a video course which will take you step by step on how to use the software to get link and commission to your affiliate platforms. So to get my software today, contact me on my Gmail today at skyward.gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today and start earning really big money on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, my software is not applicable to ClickBank alone. You can use my software on other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo and the likes. So get my software today. And also, if you get my software and video course, I'm going to create an account for you on ClickBank. Yes, there's restriction on some countries. Not minding the restrictions, I'm going to create an account for you, and I'm going to show you how you start making money step by step through my video course. So contact me today to get your software and video course at skyward.gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.